Hey guys, out for a walk, and I just want to show you Amazon warehouse. That's how big this place is. You can see how many people works over there as well, guys. On a crazy snowy day. But this is Amazon. And you can see all the way down here, guys. I am going to be shaky today. So bear with me. I'm going to go across the road, guys. So I'm on a crazy walk today. And we're still passing Amazon warehouse, guys. And you can tell how this place was covered with snow. And then the warehouse is stuck right there. Canada is building up, guys. Like every corner is all built up. And it is cold. So I'm gonna continue to walk, guys, and show you guys around this place. That's a salt truck right there, guys. It's salting. And everywhere you look around, guys, it's just crazy factories. I'm doing my morning walk, guys, and I find myself into a place that I didn't know I was gonna be into. Well, as you can see, the places look crazy. There's fresh snow that fell last night, and you can see even the sidewalks get plowed so people can actually walk. And you can see this way, they're telling you not to dump, because people actually take their garbage and dump it. That place over there is H&M warehouse. It is getting cold. It's me walking on foot. But I think I should put my other gloves on. I don't know what gets into me, guys. Decided to start walking. I decided to start walking for no reason. So you can see something else is coming here. On this piece of land. I call this a journey walk. so it's getting melty on the road. And there's an Amazon truck because they salt the road, and so when they salt the road, it melts. And all the way over there, you can see, I think it's Home Depot. And then on this side, there is garden food. So this stretch of road right down here is just all factories. And the stores are coming up. So I'm not sure what they do in garden food, but they have tons of trucks just coming through all the time. I think these birds are confused, guys. So guys, we are in Dollar Tree, and just want to show you some of these things that's in Dollar Tree. So you can see they have gloves here, all kind of gloves. And it is not for $1 anymore. They are for $1.50. But still, it's not bad. And I know a lot of people like these. So, yeah. Just taking a look so you can look with me as well.
This doesn't work. This doesn't do anything. People buy this shit thinking like, I'm just gonna, no.
And they have cat food here.
Yeah, people think like, oh, I'm just gonna buy this and slap this thing on my kid's forehead while they have a fever. It's supposed to like help reduce fever, discomfort.
Dogs as well.
Exactly. And then you just don't really know.
Back here, they have all kind of things for the home. But look at this here. You maybe can get that for $1 something. And even these, they don't have prices on it, but they're pretty cool. So we're in Dollar Tree, guys. And you can see they have organizers as well. I'm just taking you guys to look what's at Dollar Tree and all different things. This is the gardening section and also craft. Oh, these are pretty cool. This is lights, guys. Candles. All different candles. Over on this side they have cards, all kind of cards. And over on that side they have like party supplies. This is all party supplies. So from that walk that I did before, I end up at Dollar Tree. But I needed a walk, so I decided to video. Yep.